Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. As a shop owner which is specialized on Toyotas and Subarus, we are obviously constantly on the quest for better prices for the supplies, parts and so on. I buy parts from O'Reilly, but they deliver to my shop, so I don't go very often in their store. And the other morning I needed to do the oil change for 2017 Subaru, what was that? Outback, I believe, right? And it needed 0W20 full synthetic oil, and I look on my shelf, I'm like, oh, I don't have enough for it. So I stop at O'Reilly and I discovered they actually have reasonably priced full synthetic engine oil. And I needed something reasonable priced, and what was shocking for me, I didn't know they have a 5 quarts, right, this kind of container for $22.98. So basically $23 for 5 quarts. I looked, I grabbed the thing, I saw, oh, made in USA, even better. I love that. I love to support local jobs, right? And then I read really quickly, so it has a SN Plus certification, right? It has some of the GM, even the Dexos Generation 2. So definitely this is some standard, right? It's not the highest full synthetic, which we know there are higher levels, but for $23 I was sold and happy, and I ran to my store and performed that day service on that Subaru. By no means I'm paid to make this video. This is my own oil, this is my own shop, and I just wanted to share this with you for someone who might be facing the same dilemma. Wants to do the quick oil change and needs 0W20 full synthetic, reasonably priced. So once again, sharing with you, please share your comments and opinion with others in the comment section underneath this video, and as always, be subscribed. I will always have more videos about Toyotas coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.